Looking for profitable 3D printing ideas on Etsy? Instead of guessing what might sell, I used EHunt to analyze Etsy's best-selling 3D printed products. In this video, I'll show you 5 proven niche ideas with thousands of sales and explain why customers love them. First is personalized 3D printed name keychains. This listing has generated over 30,000 sales and nearly 5,000 favorites. Personalized products continue to perform well because every order feels unique. They're inexpensive to produce, easy to customize, and make great gifts for birthdays, weddings, or party favors. If you're just starting a 3D printing shop, personalized accessories are one of the safest niches to explore. Next is this articulated kitty lizard toy. It has over 13,000 sales and an impressive 20,000 favorites. Flexible animal toys have become one of Etsy's biggest 3D printing trends. Their satisfying movement makes them highly shareable on social media, bringing in organic traffic. You can also expand the idea by creating different animals, colors, or themed collections. Third is magnetic eyewear toppers. This product has reached more than 13,000 sales. Instead of replacing an entire pair of glasses, customers simply snap on different decorative toppers for holidays, seasons, or daily outfits. It's a great example of solving a practical problem while offering endless design possibilities. Functional products with room for customization often have strong long-term demand. Another popular niche is articulated pocket animals. This listing has over 13,000 sales and more than 4,000 favorites. Pocket-sized collectibles are affordable, fun, and highly giftable. Many successful sellers continue expanding their collections with new animals, fantasy creatures, and seasonal additions to encourage repeat purchases. Last is this personalized office name sign inspired by a popular TV show. It has generated over 9,500 sales and nearly 14,000 favorites. Fans enjoy decorating their workspaces with personalized signs that reflect their favorite shows and personalities. Combining personalization with pop culture inspiration can make your products much more memorable. These are just 5 examples. There are thousands of profitable 3D printing niches waiting to be discovered on Etsy. With EHunt, you can quickly find trending products, analyze sales data, research competitors, and spot new opportunities before they become saturated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.